Good day, New York. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing Weehawken Street. Now, Weehawken, New York. Now Weehawken, New Jersey, guys. Now, before I leave, let me show you something. So basically, this is Weehawken Street here in New York City. It is only 1 block long, guys. Kind of short. It's sandwiched between 10th Street and Christopher Street. So basically, back there, that's Christopher Street, and this is 10th Street right here. 10th Street. And this, Weehawken, is right here. It's a very small street, like you can see. So basically, let me show you where I am right now. So basically, we're gonna be going through there, Weehawken Street, guys. Weehawken. Weehawken Street. And guess what, guys? Back there, where I'm, see, back there is New Jersey, all the way back there. This is West Street, or the Hudson, or the West Highway. So on the other side of the river is New Jersey. So if you imagine Weehawken Street, so Weehawken in Google will be about right there, guys, all the way straight down there. The actual Weehawken from New Jersey will be straight down there, guys, on the other side of the river. Now that you see where I am, guys, we're gonna start the journey now. But I'm gonna do a closed circuit. So we go here, heading westbound. Now we do a 90 here and go this way. Again, guys, we just came from there and we just crossed. Again, guys, this is a really small video. So this is Weehawken Street, Weehawken, New York Street, not Jersey. So I'm gonna go slow, guys, so you can see. Check it out, check it out. Again, these streets are kind of, it's only one name, one block, and they're hidden, guys. These are the streets that are really hidden. And now we're coming up at Christopher Street. Coming up at Christopher Street, Weehawken Street. See? Christopher, Weehawken Street. We come here, and as you can see, that's the West Street. Now we get out of here, we do a 90 again, and you can see Weehawken Street, Christopher Street. We do another 90, and we go this way, guys. And again, it's a very short street. Weehawken Street, New York City. And judging by the background, you can see back there, that's New Jersey across the river, guys. Christopher Street, Weehawken Street. Well, in this case, Weehawken Street and Christopher Street. And we go back again. Again, this is a very small street, guys. Let me show you a little here. This is, again, like graffiti and stuff, see? These places are hidden, guys. To me, these are like gems. Check out the house, guys. Check out the house back there, see? That's old, man. And this used to be like, I don't know, like maybe old factories back then, I guess. Check out the door, guys, see? And like I said again, guys, if we were to take Weehawken, Jersey, it will be all the way back there, guys, straight across on the river to Jersey. The actual Weehawken. Okay, guys, we're coming to the end of the video. Thanks for joining me on this short ride, and I will see you guys somewhere again. I will see you somewhere in time again. Bye.